Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You jump right in, connect to the server and spawn a bus immediately because the game won't wait. Choose a bus mod that supports doors and passenger physics. This matters for boarding mechanics. Calibrate controls, steering, indicators, horn, door toggle, and set camera to a comfortable view. Feel the turning radius. Once done, test doors and brakes on a quiet street so you know how the vehicle reacts under load. Make sure the fare UI or passenger menu is active before you depart. You now follow the route. Set map waypoints and pick main roads to avoid pathfinding issues. Approach stops slowly, hit the stop marker, toggle doors, and announce your stop if the server expects it. This encourages boarding. Allow NPCs and players a second to climb aboard. Watch passenger count so you don't exceed capacity. Once passengers are secure, close doors and accelerate smoothly to avoid desync. Collect fares or trigger the payment UI. This is how the game registers revenue and progress. You complete the route by heading to the final waypoint or depot. Align with a marked bay and stop precisely, then cut the engine and open doors for disembarkation. Process payouts or confirm route completion in the fare UI so earnings register on leaderboards. If things go wrong, like desync, stuck passengers, or invisible collisions, respawn the bus, toggle network sync, or ask the server host to restart the session. This usually clears passenger and money inconsistencies. Keep calm, then retry the route immediately.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.